It's time to install and include AngularJS in our project. Let's go back to Visual Studio, stop debugging, right click on contoso.web, select Manage NuGet Packages, click on Browse, search for AngularJS, select Install, and click OK. Latest and stable version has been installed successfully. Let's close NuGet Package Manager window and console. Note that all the AngularJS library is installed in scripts directory. Let's open the scripts directory, select AngularJS and drag and drop AngularJS file just before the body tag is closed. Save all, run the application, close previous window, right click and select inspect, click on console and write Angular and press enter. Angular is installed and included in our project successfully. Let's check the Angular version using Angular objects version property. Angular dot version property and press enter. We are using 1.6.6 version of AngularJS. Now it's time to create our first ever Angular module. Let's do that in next lesson.